Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't filmed a video in a long time, but some good news. I got some headers for my car, and we're just gonna go ahead and put them on. We got my brother, and my friend Bryant helping. So big thanks to them for coming out of their way and helping me put my headers back on, or put my new headers on. So yeah, they're outside right now getting everything prepped. I was in the bathroom, so yeah, we're just gonna go ahead install them. And I got a Megan's Racing header unequal length for my BRZ. So, and it also came with an overpipe. So we're gonna try to put that as well, because I know for damn sure that to put over the overpipe we have to loosen my motor mount and lift up the motor a little bit, but I don't know. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and go outside and yeah, get everything started. Hopefully this process goes really smooth, really fast, and yeah, we should get it too.
And I sing to you a symphony, won't you kiss me? Shut me out, please. She's a goddess, a wish from a star in my heart. Oh, yeah. Dance with me, and I sing to you. Symphony, won't you kiss me? Shut me out, please. Dance with me, and I sing to you in my heart. Oh, yeah.
And we can just dance in the moonlight. And these are the times that it feels right. And when I'm with you, I do not hide you. The light to the night.
So we got the O2 sensors out, and then they're under the car, taking the headers out. Mine too. So we're just gonna go ahead, take the headers out. Meanwhile, my brother's phone's charging, so I can go ahead and film. So yeah, the steps are: you just literally under panels, headers, O2 sensors, take all that out, and then we're just gonna wait till my brother's phone charges. We're gonna put the headers back in, and then hopefully try to get this overpipe in as well. But yeah, so we're just gonna take a little break. We can charge our phones, find some storage, and then after that we'll just do another video or add the video into us putting the headers on. Get these, you can't take the header bolts off, but look at my skeleton though. Look at that, that's cool. Just dangling and dangling. So my car looks really clean, even though up close you have a lot of scratches, so eventually I'm gonna buff that out. I wouldn't say a buffer, but that's not the time right now. Here's my car, right? Here's my neighbor's car, 370Z, pretty dope, pretty nice. So these are the ones I had trouble with. I just went ahead, sprayed it with this. Came off really easy. So it's onto the comparison, guys. Comparison. Which one do you think's the stock one? I think that one's the stock one. I'm just kidding, that one's the stock one. And we bought that today as well. 15 bucks. Well, thank you to Megan for the cost. If you want a sponsorship with my car, go right ahead. I'd really appreciate it. But if not, it's okay. Oh, you got dollars.
I'ma fuck up my life. I'ma fuck up my life. We gon' party all night.
up with the jack, so I have a little bit more room. So the overpipe can go. My other friend got here is Alex, leader of the crew. Cruncher 300. What's up, bro?
Into the hole. What hole? Up here. These ones aren't working. Yeah, stand by the heater. Yeah.
Oh, no, I can't. Yeah, the other ones, they could track in there.
So that one gets like burning hot.
Yeah, this one gets right. And then they check it, and then I'm gonna be like, well, that's not my fault.
I don't know where that came from, but that came out of your car. You're getting too tight. It's not. Just take out the bolts.
No, they're tightening now. They're just, yeah. I can lift my shirt up. When it went, no. So I'm using my brother's phone. Yeah, set up right there. That's what my brother and Brian's doing for me.
Yeah, you get to do the hard part.
And then I'm gonna be the one taking out the headers. And I did get an O2 sensor remover. Forgot where I put it. Where to put it? Uh-oh. That is bad. I can't find it. I just saw it.
My left arm, my shoulder was gonna pop
On there. Is the O2 sensor remover down there?
I had my shoulder up. Way too many.
Do you already have the O2 sensor remover down there?
What?
Do you already have the O2 sensor remover?
No, it's over there.
Over where?
Behind the toolbox, probably.
Behind. Oh, I see it. Jesus. This is the O2 sensor remover. So it'll be easier to take out the O2 sensors. I gotta stand up so I can pop my shoulder back into place.
I need some milk.
There it goes. The headers are free. There, I got it. Ugh. Headers are free. First thing I probably want to do is unhook the O2 sensors.
I gotta take this off still.
And that one as well. So you can... No, you don't need to take that one off.
Oh, we're doing the pipe going this way.
Yeah, so you do need to take that off. I guess so. So, I believe you can unhook the O2 sensors from the hood.
Which is why I suggested to put the car up.
Two sensors, so thank God they're color coordinated, so I don't put the wrong one on the wrong side. We're just gonna, I need to disconnect the battery. That's what I need to do first. So we don't have enough tools to work with right now, so we're kind of just like scavenging around and trying to find some tools. But I'm trying to find as much tools as I can that I can use, because first thing you want to do is really just disconnect the battery when you do the O2 sensors, so you don't end up shocking yourself somehow. So yeah, so I'm trying to find some tools. Perfect, good enough tool set right there. And by the way, plug in, get one of my brother's shirts. Let me know if you want a shirt. It says Krusty, and it says in the back, "Don't Stop Dreaming." So yeah, if you want a shirt, let me know. comment down below. Or I have on my Instagram. Just let me know. Hit me up in the DMs. But yeah, I acquired the rest of the tools. But we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery, then the O2 sensors. Just crapped his pants.
No, I didn't, bro.
Yeah, you just crapped your pants. And it's lingering all around my car.
Bro, your CV axle has to be pretty fucked because you got so much grease on the inside of this tire right here.
Yeah, it's probably dirt.
No, it's pretty good.
Boom. There's this tool set right there.
Boom. Boom. Yeah, baby.
Disconnect the battery.
The fuck kind of Japanese shit is this?
Good. We got the under tray out. Nice. Now these two
I don't know how. It
O2
came out of
sensors
here.
right here.
Came out of there.
Oh, got it. I got it.
I need a deep pull.
Oh, I did it. Look. Both of them are out, bro. Took me about 23 minutes.
Yeah, I need a 14. Can't get this bottom.
Here you go.
Broke the top.
Here you go, bud.
Oh,
Don't break it.
Oh.
so fragile.
It
Like
is.
like my knee.
Like my, no. Did you already slide those on there? Yeah. Oh, it's getting caught up here. What the hell? Okay, slide that back up.
Cause this one is in. There we go. This side's in.
That side's in.
Yeah. Check.
This side's not. We have to put that all the way up to get this side in. Oh, dude, it's gonna be so loud. It's going to be so loud. And you know you're gonna have to get a tune like with your next paycheck. Right?
Okay, just wait.
Well, let it idle first. Oh, geez.
Definitely rich.
Yeah.
There it is.
My car sounds like the Subaru again.
That was under $2,000. That was under $2,000.
That is under $2,000. Okay. It's finally done.